Most men think that mastering pickup or game or earning a lot of money or building their body or gaining societal status is going to make them a high value man. But they are wrong. If you have found this video on your YouTube, you are one of the few lucky ones. And in this video, I am going to tell you what will actually make you into a high value person. And that is knowing that your life circumstances are just an effect of your own mental activities. If you are facing terrible life circumstances, then that is an extension of your terrible mental activities. If you just close your eyes and observe your mind right now, and there are a lot of negative mental pictures coming up, negative feelings in your body, then I am 100% sure that you are facing a lot of terrible life circumstances in your physical reality because your mind extends as your personal reality. This is the reason why yogis call our personal visible reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. It is not real. This is the reason why yogis meditate, they visualize, they practice spiritual practices so that they can upgrade their state of mind and get rid of all the terrible life circumstances and attract wonderful life circumstances towards them. I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup, I was learning all these psychology hacks in order to get intimate with a girl that I liked. And I got intimate with her. However, COVID happened. I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks. I had to turn inwards. I had to meditate because I wanted to heal these annoying mental health issues. And meditation taught me one thing, and that is outer game techniques, pickup tricks, dating hacks never really worked. It was all my vivid imagination and feeling that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible personal world. So your only real power is your own imagination. If you learn how to use your imagination wisely, you can control your mental activities, you can control your emotions, and then that mental activity is going to get extended as your personal reality. That will actually turn you into a high value man. So what I mean is, if you can impress your subconscious mind with an imaginal act where you are super attractive, where girls that you desire are coming up to you and they are complimenting you, saying things like, wow, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky that I finally found a guy like you. You can visualize that they are touching you, they are begging for your attention. You can imagine that you guys are kissing and you are just flooded by all these beautiful women, and you can finally impress this imagination in your subconscious mind. Then this imagination is going to get outpictured as your life circumstance in your physical reality. This is how powerful your subconscious mind is. It is going to interact with your physical reality. It is going to bend everyone's free will. It is going to make whatever you have imagined come to life. However, there is a process of impregnating all these imaginal activities in your subconscious mind. And the first step is through relaxation of your body. Now, you can either relax your body by taking deep breaths in while trying to go to sleep, or you can do Yoga Nidra. Non-sleep deep rest protocol is considered to be Yoga Nidra these days. This is going to slow down your breath. Slowing down your breath means slowing down your brain waves. Slowing down your brain waves means you'll be able to think in pictures. Your brain is going to find it easy to visualize. Now start to imagine all these wonderful things happening to you. Now hold your attention on this imagination and mentally rehearse it over and over again until you feel completely satisfied, completely joyful, happy, thrilled, and grateful. Sustain these elevated emotions for a certain period of time and then simply sleep. Relax into unconsciousness. Do this every night for at least 30 days. because you have to train your imagination. You have to train your attention. Your attention has a very shit attention span right now. An average human being cannot hold his attention on the desired imagination. So train your attention. Train your capacity to hold positive feelings for a long period of time, because a normal human being has practiced bored, practiced feeling unworthy, practiced feeling negative emotion for so long that it might be a little difficult for him to sustain these elevated emotions all of a sudden. So invest in yourself for at least 1 month, and one day, when this imagination gets impregnated into your subconscious mind, everything will change. You do not have to raise a single finger in order to be a high value man. You will be compelled to be a high value man because your subconscious mind already has this program. It already has the imagination where you are now a very attractive guy, a high value man, and girls are just chasing you. This imagination is actually going to get outpictured into your physical reality because you have impregnated in your imagination into your subconscious mind through elevated emotions. Remember, emotions are very important. Neville Goddard said, feeling is the secret. So unless you can feel the feelings out of your imagination is weak. So in order to truly be a high value man, you must learn how to feel elevated emotions out of your imagination. Feel complete satisfaction every night before falling asleep. And soon enough, your physical life circumstances will reflect your feeling of satisfaction. You will actually be satisfied by your life circumstances because those life circumstances will mirror your imagination. Girls in your physical reality will actually start to notice you. They will come towards you, they will compliment you, and they will express their desire to be with you. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings so that whatever you have imagined actually gets outpictured into your reality, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.